Hi guys, so today's video is gonna be a tutorial for you guys again and for another mysterious puzzle which is the clock cube.
Bruh.
So that's messed up. Let me fix that. And there it is. So today's what the hell? So you guys know the drill. Let's scramble this up. And there it is. So we'll go through the basics first. So these are called pins. They move up and down like this, like a disco. And these are called dials. And also the corner ones have gear like structure to move them with, like so. Now there are actually quite confusing notations for the clock cube. Ooh, look at that shine, nice. But I won't bore you with them, so let's just hop on to the intuitive tutorial. So these are called pins, as you know. The mechanism of the clock is that the pin which is up, like this one, the adjacent clocks or dials around the pin, these four, can move when we rotate this corner right here, like that. See, make sure to align the pin correctly. If it is only half up like that, so this can happen. Only the corner may turn like that. So that's really annoying while doing some solves. So first we have to make sure that the 12 o'clock, like that, should be facing upwards, and we have to make the cross as we do it in 3x3, which you can check out right here. First make sure that all the pins are up like that, and then move one center dial to the 12 o'clock. Then get down all the pins like so, and then just move one pin, which is this one, and now these four dials will rotate. So we'll match it to these two. Oh sorry, so the pin isn't activated. Now it's done. So we'll move and match these three, and now we have to make sure this is down and then make this pin up, as we want to take these three and match them with these two. So we'll get that up, then we'll match it with this one like this. See, it matches. Then we have to take up this pin too, so that all these 6 dials will move together, and we'll match it with this one. See, now as all the cross pieces have matched, so we'll move up all the pins like that and get them to, oh gosh, get them to 12 o'clock. See, right here. So flip it over and we have to do the same process here. So I'll speed it through a bit. First one pin up, center piece here, then we'll take these two in now by this, then we'll match these two like that. Then we have to move these 6, so these two pins up, and we'll match it with the last piece like that. Then all the pins up, and man, what happened? And we'll match it with the 12 o'clock, and we have to make sure that the pins are up, or otherwise it will destroy the cross on the back side. Now the corners are very simple. We just have to take these cross and match them with the corners. So we'll first solve this corner. We have to push down the pin we have to solve the corner with, like this, and all the pins are up, and do not touch this dial where the pin is down. So move the other dial to match it with the corner, then make sure to bring it up, then another corner. So here match all of them with this and up. So this down, match all of them with this one, up, here down, match all of them with this, up, and then just make sure that it is pointing towards the 12 o'clock, and the other side will be done as well. So this was a simple tutorial on how to solve the clock cube. No algorithms, no such kind of nonsense. Total intuitive tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like down there, and also I've noticed that my videos get very less views, so make sure to at least share it to one person in your family or friends. So this is it for the video now. Looking forward to meet you guys in my next video. Bye bye.